In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to share a draw.io link. If you've created a diagram in draw.io, also known as diagrams.net, and you want others to see it quickly without sending the original file, a published link is the simplest and most reliable way to share. I'll walk you through exactly what to click, and I'll also point out what's happening behind the scenes so you know what to expect when someone opens your link. First, open your diagram in diagrams.net. This can be a file you've saved locally or one stored in a connected service like Google Drive, OneDrive, or Dropbox. Either way, open it so you can see your canvas and the diagram you want to share. Make sure everything looks the way you want because the link you create will present this diagram to your viewers. Next, go to the top menu and choose File, then Publish, then Link. The Publish menu is designed specifically for sharing a view of your diagram outside the editor. This is different from granting someone editing access. Publish creates a viewer-friendly link that people can open in any browser, even if they don't use diagrams.net. It's ideal for reviewers, stakeholders, or teammates who simply need to see the latest version. Now click Create. When you do, diagrams.net generates a unique URL for your current diagram. Depending on your setup, you may see options for how the diagram is presented, like whether it opens with a lightweight viewer or includes additional features. If you're not sure what to pick, the default settings are fine for most cases. The key action here is pressing Create so the system builds the shareable link. Finally, copy the generated URL. This is the link you can paste into an email, a chat message, a project tracker, or anywhere else your audience will access it. Anyone with the link will be able to open a read-only view of your diagram in their browser. Keep in mind that this is meant for sharing the content, not for editing. If someone needs to make changes, they should work on the original file within diagrams.net, according to your normal collaboration workflow. That's all you need to do. Open the diagram, go to File, Publish, Link, click Create, and copy the URL. With this simple process, you can distribute your diagrams quickly and consistently, ensuring people see exactly what you intend without sending large files or asking them to install anything.